Hi, it's Julien Barker at South Street Chiropractic. I'm here with Heather, who is reporting having a headache right there, aren't you? So behind the left eye, kind of oh, who's had one of these? Absolutely horrible, kind of like a nail in your head.
Yeah.
Absolutely, right. And so, knees there, climb up and lie down. Okay. So there's a couple of things, I've done a few videos on headaches before, and so this is a recap of some other stuff. Can be super effective, and so we'll run through and figure out what's going on there. PD normally left?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, another one who's yeah, very much going left, about 1/4 inch there, so yeah, not far off a centimetre for those in metric. And let's get going. So, and we fall immediately at the left medial tibia. Straight through the joint line. Okay, good. That's better straight away. And I think we could be dealing here with a Right AS Ilium as well. What are you putting the headache down to?
Too much screen time.
Too much screen time.
Mm.
I'm sure you're not alone at all in the world. Okay. Definitely a modern phenomenon. Okay, so squeeze your knees together, and there you go. Okay, left hand up behind your back. Swap your hands around. Both hands up behind your back together. Okay, so we've got a very clear L5 on the left, both back down by sides. The other thing about too much screen time is it tends to come with lots and lots of sitting. And L5 is definitely irritated by prolonged sitting. Unless you stood up looking at screens, I'll take it, no?
A bit.
a bit. Okay, let's take your left hand up by your face. Big deep breath in. And out. Right hand up as well. And both back down by sides. Okay, so let's just come back to that L5. A very practiced drill here now, so top of iliac crest to come find lumbar 4, work your way down so you can feel the gap between 4 and S1. 8 pounds of pressure, hold it, deliver the thrust, definite pause, and we can move on. Good, turn your head to the left side. Lift the left shoulder off the couch, back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and back down. Squeeze the left elbow flat against your side and let go. Squeeze the right one in and let go. Good. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Okay. Boom. Head back into the centre. So, superior first rib. Which, yeah, I'm aiming at that rib junction. You're definitely going through what feels like quite a tight upper trapezius as well. It's not specifically the trapezius test, we'll come into that in a few moments. Okay, so main headache vertebra, cervical 5, cervical 2 and atlas, and maybe occiput and occipitals as well, and there's a few others we'll run through, but actually in the essential scan you do cover a lot of them, the main players. So lift up your head and back down. That's good. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre, and there is a very clear atlas adjustment. So down to setting 1, especially if Heather's got a headache. Yeah. Third finger there onto the mastoid process. First finger onto the angle of the jaw. Atlas will be bang in the middle. make the contact, 2 pounds of pressure, so it's actually quite light. Deliver the thrust, nice pause, and then we're out. Okay, definitely worth checking again. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Yeah, good. Turn your head to the right. Could you feel how your legs went all loose after that?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's like all the tension has gone out of Heather's body. Whoa, good. Head back into the centre. Let's push your face down into the couch, and let go. Push your forehead into the couch, and let go. Okay, so that is a superior oxbert picking up that as well. So, okay. Again, setting 1 here. Work my way around and mess up Heather's very neatly done hairdo here. Just finding the external occipital protuberance, the EOP, got my finger right on it there. Just sneaking over the top there. Get it about as inferior as I can. Just stabilising it with my lower finger there, deliver the thrust. Okay, and head back into neutral, just have a breath in and out. Okay, and push your forehead into the couch, and let go. Okay, just turn your head to the right, tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder, and not surprisingly we've got trap TP as well there. So shrug your left shoulder up towards your left ear, and back down. Good, head back into the centre. So let's go looking for that trapezius trigger point. Yeah, I tend to do this on setting 3. It's a big muscle, and you want it to be well stimulated. Was it well stimulated then? Yeah. Good. Okay. So other things that definitely can be to do with headaches, and especially if we're thinking about screen time. So worth checking temporal muscles and bite mechanisms. So just bite your teeth together nice and hard, and let go. That looks pretty good. Open mouth nice and wide, and let go. Just push your lower jaw to the left, and let go. So checking for a lateral TMJ. All looks pretty good. The other thing I associate screen time with, there seems to just be a thing about C3, and it tends to be left as well. So turn your head to the left, look up top left corner. That's the C4 test. Now look down at your left shoulder. C3, you can do the sets, that's not really showing. Just put your head back into the middle. Both hands up by your ears, palm face down. Turn your head to the left, look down at your left shoulder. So this is the specific isolation for a C3 left. That looks pretty good, so leave well of that. Good. Arms down, right side, head back into the middle. I would normally say often when you get people up, actually things have started to clear out already, but most of the time you'd expect headaches to clear, certainly within 2 days, so 2 nights sleep, but somewhere between about 2 hours and about 2 days from now. If it persists beyond 2 days, then I'd want to know about it and I want to get them to call, especially if it's getting worse. Okay, see you next time.